Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Who doesn't love a delicious, fluffy omelet? Today, we're going to walk through making one that's perfect every time, right in your own kitchen. It's surprisingly simple, and you likely have most of the ingredients already. Just grab 2 or 3 large eggs, a pat of butter, and perhaps some cheese or herbs for later. That's really all it takes to begin your journey to omelet perfection. Getting everything ready first makes the whole process so much smoother. All right, let's get those eggs ready. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a small bowl, being careful not to drop any shell fragments. Now, take a fork and gently whisk them. You don't need to go crazy, just enough to break up the yolks and whites, incorporating a little bit of air. This simple step helps create that lovely, airy texture we all enjoy. Finally, add a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper. Season them just before they hit the pan. The right pan and proper heat are absolutely crucial for a fantastic omelet. Grab a good quality 8-inch non-stick pan. This size is perfect for a 2 or 3 egg omelet. Place your pan over medium-low heat, giving it a moment to warm up evenly. Then, add a generous pat of butter. Let it melt completely and swirl it around, coating the entire bottom and sides. This butter provides flavor and prevents sticking. Now for the fun part, cooking your omelet. Pour your whisked eggs directly into the warm, buttered pan. As the edges begin to set, gently push them toward the center with your spatula, tilting the pan. Do this until most of the egg is set but still slightly moist on top. If adding fillings, sprinkle them over 1/2 of the omelet. Then, carefully fold the other half over and gently slide it onto your plate. To avoid a rubbery omelet, remember not to overcook it. It should be just set, still a little creamy inside, not browned. The beauty of an omelet is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with all sorts of fillings, from sautéed mushrooms and spinach to shredded cheese or diced ham. Serve your masterpiece immediately to enjoy it at its absolute best. So go ahead, whip up a delicious omelet and savor that perfect breakfast or brunch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.